you start praying, right? Okay, we're like this. You bow. You stand up. Many people are interested. This is what we expected, or at least what we hoped for. And many fans from different countries are taking time out from soccer, from watching the games, to experience some of Qatari culture. And we've had a lot of visitors here at the Blue Mosque or the Qatari Mosque or Masjid. People are really interested in seeing the architecture, appreciating the beauty of the mosque, and watching the worshippers as they engage in one of the 5 daily prayers.
Since I was a child, I was always interested in the religion, and most in the Middle East religion. So when we decided with my family to come here to Qatar for the World Cup, we were very excited to know the different mosques and well, the religion indeed. And my feelings when I first get in a mosque was I don't know, I feel very comfortable, I feel safe.
The World Cup is not only football. We have to know the culture, to know different people, and to understand how they live and what is their day-to-day lifetime.